Today we are going to make crispy fried chicken dumplings. To make this we require 1/4 of cabbage, onion, 2 pieces of ginger, 3 to 4 green chilies, 6 to 8 strands of garlic sprouts, garlic clove, chicken boneless and shrimp. We will also add dark soya sauce. The other ingredients that are required to make crispy fried chicken dumplings are salt, black pepper powder, half cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 3 tablespoons of refined oil and half cup of water. Taking 1 cup of flour, half cup of flour, salt, 1/4 of water. Now we need to knead the dough and keep adding more flour to make it tight. Kneading the dough, we will keep it aside for 15 minutes. In that time, we will cut the vegetables. We have cut the vegetables in small pieces like this and minced the chicken and shrimp here. Now we will add and make the stuffing now. First we will add chicken, then we will add the shrimp, then we will add the cabbage. Onion, green chili, garlic sprouts, ginger and garlic together, now we will add salt, sugar, half teaspoon black pepper, now we will add 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Now we will mix the dough. After mixing all of it, the stuffing will look like this. Now we will keep adding the flour and keep kneading the dough until it becomes tight. Now this is how we will do it. Keep adding the flour here and keep kneading it until it is tight. Now after this becomes tight, we have to keep it covered and keep it for 1 hour. Now we have covered and kept this dough for 1 hour. Now we will need to make it into small circles. This into small circles. Keep adding flour if it's sticking to your hand and make it into small circles like this. Now we have to make it flat and add stuffing in it. Now we will make this. We will Flatten the dough in a circle shape and then put the stuffing, a spoonful of stuffing in it, like this. Now we will close it like such. Now we will make this shape. I have done it. And now we will make the dumplings. We will give oil, refined oil. After making the pan hot, we will put oil in it. Just this much. Coat the entire pan. Now we will wait for it to be heated. Now we will put the dumplings in like such. We will cover it and keep it for 2 minutes, not more, not less, but 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will open the lid, give a splash of water and then cover it. Keep it for 15 minutes in the medium flame. We have to cover it and keep it for 15 minutes after adding the splash of water. After 15 minutes, it will look like the water given will evaporate and it will look like this. Let me show you how it will look on the other side. Look, it will be crispy like this. Now we will put our crispy dumplings in a serving plate like this. Now we will serve it with chili sauce and then sprinkle some garlic sprout like this. The crispy fried dumpling is ready.